Hey everyone, welcome back to Zimist Coded. I hope you're doing well today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop background apps in Windows 11 so you can save more battery life, especially if you're using a laptop. Sometimes your battery drains faster than expected, and most of the time, it's because a lot of apps are running quietly in the background. So let's take a few minutes and fix that together. Let's begin with the apps that normally run in the background. These can consume battery even when you're not actively using them. So first, go ahead and right-click on your Start menu. From the menu that appears, click on Installed Apps. You'll see a list of all your apps right there. Choose any app that you don't need running in the background. Click on the three dots beside it and select Advanced Options. Once the page opens, take your time and look for the section labeled Background Apps Permissions. This is the important part. Click on the drop-down and change it to Never. That means the app will no longer run in the background unless you open it yourself. You can repeat this for as many apps as you want, especially the ones you don't use often. It's a simple change, but it can save a lot of battery. Next, let's stop apps that start automatically whenever you turn on your PC. These apps run the moment Windows boots, even before you open anything. To manage them, simply right-click your taskbar and select Task Manager. When Task Manager opens, go to the section labeled Startup Apps. These are the apps that automatically start with Windows. Look through the list and disable any app you don't need to start on its own. Just right-click the app and click Disable. The fewer apps that start automatically, the less battery your laptop uses. You can go through the list slowly and disable everything you don't want. Now let's turn on something built into Windows that helps even more. Battery Saver. This feature limits background activity and helps extend your battery life. To open it, right-click the battery icon on your taskbar and choose Power and Sleep Settings. In the Settings window, click on Battery Saver to expand it. Make sure the option that says Always Use Energy Saver is turned on. Once this is enabled, Windows will automatically reduce background tasks and help your battery last longer. And before we finish, here are a few extra things that make a big difference. Try reducing your screen brightness a little. Screens use a lot of power. You can also turn off Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or location when you're not using them. If there are apps you never use at all, consider uninstalling them. And if you use live wallpapers, disabling them can also help your battery last much longer. And that's it. These simple steps can help you squeeze more life out of your battery and keep your laptop running longer throughout the day. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial on Zimist Coded. If you found it helpful, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more easy and practical tech tips. I'll see you in the next one.